Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream healthy. To begin, select a lighter base for your frozen treat. You can opt for a low-fat milk, such as skim milk, or a plant-based alternative like almond or coconut milk. For an even healthier option, try using frozen bananas as your primary ingredient. They create a wonderfully creamy texture without any added dairy. Greek yogurt also works beautifully, adding a protein boost and a delightful tang. Next, let's talk about sweetening your ice cream without overdoing it. Instead of refined sugar, reach for natural alternatives like ripe fruit, a small amount of maple syrup, or a drizzle of honey. These options provide sweetness along with some beneficial nutrients. For flavor, pure vanilla extract, cinnamon, or unsweetened cocoa powder are excellent choices. You can also blend in fruit purees for vibrant, natural taste and color. Now, let's make your healthy ice cream even more exciting with smart add-ins. Consider incorporating a handful of chopped nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, for healthy fats and crunch. Dark chocolate chips, with at least 70% cocoa, offer antioxidants in moderation. Fresh or frozen berries are also fantastic for a burst of natural sweetness and vitamins. For an extra creamy texture, a quarter of an avocado or a tiny pinch of xanthan gum can work wonders. Finally, let's ensure you enjoy your healthy creation to the fullest. Store your homemade ice cream in an airtight container in the freezer to maintain its freshness and prevent ice crystal formation. When you're ready to indulge, let it sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, which will give you the best creamy texture. Remember, even healthy treats are best enjoyed in mindful, moderate portions. Savor every spoonful of your delicious, guilt-free ice cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.